Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix if red dot not showing on the app icon. So you have to just simply open the settings on your Android device. So you have to click the app management and app list. So I will click to the random of message. So there is manage notifications. So you have to click to the manage notifications. So you have to allow notifications. When you allow the notifications, you have to see the three of this option. So you have to click to the center one option, notification badge. You have to click to the center one. So when you have to click to the center one option, the badge will open. So you have to see, when you go back, refresh it your message box and go to the home screen, you will see the red button of red dot of icon. I simply just message my on myself. So you see it will, the red dot icon you have to be seen when someone's message your message box. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.